Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I'm Kid here and I'm back with another tutorial video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix text to speech feature not showing on TikTok. So if you're having trouble with that, you are at the right place, and make sure to watch till the end. And now let's begin. There are a few problems that disable text to speech features on TikTok. So first of all, make sure that your TikTok app is updated to its latest version. If you haven't updated it yet, go to your Play Store and then search for TikTok. So if you haven't updated it yet, you will see an update option. Right where I have open option, go ahead and update your TikTok app and check if you can have that feature. After that, if your issue is not solved yet, next step that you can do is go and make sure that your permission for microphone on TikTok is on. For that, go to your TikTok app on your device and hold the app for a second, and you will see some menu and tap on app information, and now go to permission that you will see on the screen, and make sure that you have allow access to microphone, and again go and check if your issues has been solved. If it hasn't been solved, or if it still has not been solved, then the last option that you can try is go to your TikTok app and then open your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you will see at the bottom of your screen at right hand corner. After that, again go to the three icon that you will see on the screen at the top right hand corner, and again go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll a bit and then you will see a report a problem option at support and about section. So tap on a report a problem. Here we are gonna report a problem to TikTok service center. So again scroll down and you will see submit a report option. Tap on there and here type your issues, suppose say my TikTok text to speech feature still not available. After you are done typing your issues, simply tap on that submit option and your issue will be submitted, and wait until the TikTok service center replies you back. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, get updated with more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you made it till the end, thank you for watching again, and I will see you on next video.